Hey guys, how's going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and welcome to second video tutorial on Python OOP, that is object oriented programming. And if you haven't checked the first episode of this series, go and check it out. The link is in the description box below. And yeah, what are the uses of OOP? I have all described in previous video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. And without losing your time, let's jump right into it. So in this video tutorial, I am going to tell you something about Init. So what is Init? So first of all, let's make class. That is very much compulsory in Python OOP. So class, it's just a class that I'm reading in grade 9, and I can talk with all the friends in grade 9 and like that. And let's make that name as Ways. Okay, Ways. Okay, no Ways, let's make it salary. Okay, now Init is a function inside the class, and function inside the class, we know it is as method. So it's a method, so let's tell it. And init method is like this: 2 underscores init and 2 underscores. So this should be similar to it. And next is bracket, and one argument we should compulsorily pass is self, and we don't count it as an argument. And next we want some arguments, so we can pass it any of the arguments. So self.name, we will just denote what we want as self.name. Means when we go through the salary, and what's the self.name equals name. So I will just show you an example after this little bit of just defining. So it's hard to understand for the first time, but it's just like slow and steady wins the race. So self.is similar and equals to is. Okay, and when I do as Kovid equals salary, and inside this way I pass Kovid1, and next is we pass $5,000 ways. And when I do print Kovid.name, then it will print out what? Let's see, Kovid.ways. So what it will do is go through the Kovid and check what is the name. So here we said that self.name means self Kovid.name. What is the name specified here? That is Kovid. It will print Kovid. And next is it should be ways. Self.ways equals to ways. So what is ways here? Over here it's 5,000. So let's check this, and you can see Kovid 5,000. So what it does is just check, and this self.name means self means this whole class, and check what is the name inside this class and what is the other ways or other arguments inside that class. And one thing that we can do is self.is. We can specify our own like that, like 14. Okay, and when I do like print Kovid.is, then what it will print out is 14. So you can see, and we can specify our own variables too, so we don't want this. So this was the second video tutorial on Init method. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys do like, please like that button, smash this like button, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more Pythonic videos. Plus, one bonus to subscribe this channel is one is you will get Pythonic video, plus second is programming tips, and third is interview practice, and fourth is your own guide, and you can ask me any question, then I will solve your problem. So this was for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one.